Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2011 Holden Barina. Stock number 6621. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 6th 2015. It has a B12D 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a B12D 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front 14-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand door mirror, left rear 14-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand door no dents, right front door mirror, front 14-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,